The ethic of sneezing in Islam. Sneezing, cover the nose and mouth with a tissue or sleeve so that bacteria do not spread into the air and others. For Muslim who hear it say prayers to him,
Yarhamukallah.
then the person who has sneezed should reply with a prayer, Yahdikumullah wa yuslihum balakum.